It strongly focuses on what you have in your class, your lecture outlines, your lecture recordings, your discussion material, anything you put online on Canvas. The chatbot reads that and uses that as the primary basis for its information. And I didn't run into any instances where the chatbot was telling them something that's different than what I was telling the students in the lab. The other very nice feature of Maisie is that when a student asks a question, tell me about whatever, telomeres. It gives an explanation, but then it also provides links to the lecture outlines and the lecture recordings with timestamps. For what I want out of it, which is a sort of 24/7 resource for students to ask questions about course material and get a straightforward answer that is focused on the material that I'm trying to relay to the students, that does what I want it to do. Some people fear that chatbots are going to replace instructors, and I definitely don't think that's the case. It's just another resource that we can provide the students where they can learn course material. And the more opportunities students have, and we know from a lot of studies that the more resources students access in an introductory class, introductory science class especially, the better they do in the class. The more they come to lecture, the more they come to office hours, the more they go to review sessions, study groups, the better they do. And I just think that this is another resource for students to access.